W block stands for write block. It is possible to save circuits as blocks, and these blocks can be inserted into any drawing file. To do that, write the wblock command in the command line and press enter. The write block dialog box will be displayed. Here you can choose the pick point button to specify the insertion base point. After doing that, you can see that in the command line, you will be asked to specify insertion base point. Now I'm going to do that. Then for the second time, write block dialog box will be shown, and then in this step you have to select the objects to create a block. Also, you can convert the selected objects to a block by choosing Convert to Block option, or also remove them from the current drawing by choosing Deleting from Drawing. Select your objects by each method that you want. Then, by pressing Enter button for the third time, the write block dialog box will be opened. Then to save this circuit block, you have to specify the name and the location in the file name and path edit box, which is destination for saving your new block. Finally, by choosing OK, the selected circuit will be saved. Now I want to insert the previous wblock circuit. To do so, I'm going to choose Insert wblock Circuits in the Insert Components panel, and then the Insert wblock Circuit window will be opened. You can select the saved circuit from the location that you had inserted before. If you remember, I saved it here in this file. Then I'm going to open this saved circuit. Therefore, if you want to, you can specify custom scale in this edit box and finally choose OK. In the last part, the things that you have to do is specifying the insertion point for placing the circuit. Now I'm going to do it and click at the point. And here you can see the saved circuit is inserted.